Good morning, engineers. It's Mrs. Vandermissen. I wanted to let you know that this week I am actually being both a student and a teacher, so I am out at some specialized engineering training. And so I'm going to provide video introductions each day so that you know what I've got planned for you and kind of what the expectations of the day are for you. Let's take a look at our usual weekly calendar. So today is day 6, and we are going to look at some engineering drawing worksheets. It's called 12 views. You know, we've been working on the 4 views. So this is actually, the isometrics are all provided. We're looking at 3 orthographics on 4 different block designs on paper. So let's take a look at Schoology and see how that is assigned for you. Oh, actually, before that, let's look at the rest of the days of the week. So tomorrow on Wednesday, we are actually going to have you do a bit of work on the CAD for our drawing block, and I'll go back and introduce that some more tomorrow. And on Thursday, we don't have class, but Friday we will have a long block work day, and you will have a turn-in on that day as well. So let's hop over to Schoology for today. You can see on the sidebar, I've got a turn-in for you. It says Pre-Engineering 1, Engineering Drawing Worksheets, 12 views. So the sub, thank you Mr. Sub, is going to hand you a set of drawing sheets. And those are for you to work on in class. There's a pretty good chance you'll get through most of it, but I'm going to have you hold on to your completed work and turn in just a photo of how far that you have gotten. The reason is I want to be able to answer questions for you in person before you go ahead and turn those in. So I will show you what the worksheets look like. So this is the first one, and what you can notice is there is a measurement grid of units all along the isometric views of this block. And then we have got the 3 views where you can mark in the drawing. So for instance, this is the front view, this is the right view, and this is the top view looking down in this direction. And so front, right, and top, front, right, and top. I suggest that you go ahead and record the words top, front, and right on the views right away when you get started. And so you can see that this grid here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that there are no more than 8 units along the bottom of this sheet. If you count carefully, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's pretty convenient. So go ahead and mark a nice straight line along the bottom. And then just like we did when we created the orthographics on the real physical block, you can simply measure, or in this case, use your eyes to count measure, the number of units in each direction from the anchor points on the block. And then go ahead and mark in your front, your top, and your right view on these 2 blocks, and then there is a set of 2 more that look like this, the round blocks. This one will be a little bit more challenging for you. You might actually want to pick up a cylindrical object like a pencil or a Coke can. There are some of those on top of the cubby cubes to look at what the different views appear to your eyes from the side. Again, I'm going to have you turn in a photograph of the work that you're able to complete in class, and I will answer questions for you in person before I collect those. So you'll have 2 pages, 4 block isometrics, and then on each of those you'll need to complete the 3 orthographic views, front, right, and top, for a set of 12 views. When you're done or near the end of class today, go ahead and take photos of the completed sheets or as far as that you've gotten and turn that in on Schoology today for a completion grade. Have a great day, and I will check in with you tomorrow.